In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a white background with Adobe Illustrator. To get started, open your Adobe Illustrator file and make sure the image you want to edit is already placed inside the document. This method is especially useful when you have an image with a solid white background and you want to make that background transparent for cleaner designs, logos, or compositions. Once your file is open, click on the image you want to work with so it's selected. This is important because Illustrator needs to know exactly which image you want to trace and edit before the settings can be applied. Next, go to the top menu and click Window. From the drop-down menu, find Image Trace and select it. This will open the Image Trace panel, which gives you the controls needed to turn the image into editable vector-style shapes, while also removing unwanted background color. In the Image Trace panel, choose a preset that fits your image best. You can try High Fidelity Photo if your image has a lot of detail and color variation, or 3 colors if the artwork is simpler and uses fewer tones. The preset you choose can affect how clean the result looks, so if one doesn't look right, the other may work better depending on the image. After that, look for Advanced and expand it if it isn't already open. In this section, find Method and select Abutting. This option helps create shapes that sit neatly next to each other, which can improve the overall result when the image is traced. Now move down to the Options section. First, make sure transparency is checked. This tells Illustrator to preserve transparent areas where possible. Then check Ignore Color as well. Once that is enabled, click the color swatch beside it and set that color to white. This is the key step that tells Illustrator to ignore the white background during the trace. After applying those settings, give Illustrator a moment to process the image. Depending on the file size and complexity, this may take a few seconds. When it finishes, check the image carefully. The white background should now be removed, leaving only the main subject or artwork visible. If you want to confirm that the background is truly gone, a helpful tip is to view the artwork against a non-white artboard area or place another colored object behind it. That makes transparency much easier to spot. And that's it. You've successfully removed a white background in Adobe Illustrator.